Okay. So usually this thing is sitting tight against that bracket down there. If you flick this forward, you can release the bracket, which allows this thing to wiggle up and down a little bit. Didn't happen right away, but after another half an hour of trying the other direction, I was able to pull it out. And by that point, I had already cut the ignition wires out of frustration. And on this pluggy, you just take this tab, flick it this way. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can do it one-handed now. That would be a great success. I can totally do this. Dun, 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 dun.